She put the fancy shoe next to her foot. Then she picked up a big kitchen knife and made a mark on her foot. She wanted to cut off some toes because that was the only way the shoe could fit her. She believed that if she wore the shoe, she could marry the prince and live in a rich family. But sadly, she made a big mistake. She was too excited and cut the toes on the wrong foot. Her mom saw this, gave a small smile, and then cut the toes on the correct foot too. But even this was not enough for her mom. She wanted her daughter to look even more beautiful, so she sent her for beauty surgery. The surgery was very painful. The doctor only had a heavy hammer as his tool. He measured the girl's nose and then hit it with the hammer to change its shape. After the nose surgery, the girl looked a little better, but her mom still wasn't happy, so she sent her for eyelash surgery next. The doctor put some powder on her eyelid, then took out a sharp curved needle. The girl shook with fear. The doctor sewed the fake eyelashes onto her real eyelashes, and he did it without any medicine to make it numb. After all these surgeries, the girl looked very different. At the royal dance party, she became the center of attention. But while she was dancing with the prince, another girl walked into the hall. She was kind, graceful, and very beautiful. The prince immediately felt drawn to her, but before he could talk to her, she suddenly ran away, leaving behind only one shoe.